What's going on, guys? It's Terrence David. Just want to shoot a quick video to show you how to set your days zones on your MetaTrader 4 right from your phone. I know a lot of us like to trade from our phones. Very convenient. First and foremost, we want to go. You can do it from any chart, but I like to start on a day chart. We're going to click this icon right up here, all the way over to the right next to the F. It's going to show us what to include the objects. We want to click the objects and hit cycle lines right there. We're just going to touch out our graph, and it doesn't matter how far you put it right now because we're going to set this correctly. When we go back to it, we're going to click the day one chart. Now, this is where it can get confusing because a lot of people don't quite understand when the market opens. The market opens, you can put it as opening at New York opening. That's when our day starts. So we want to do it from when our day starts, okay? And the first time session is going to be New York. Now, if you lived in London, then your day opens at London time, so you can start your day cycles at London time because that's the morning time there. All right, you follow me? So, with that being said, we need to find out what time the broker operates out of because that's what time is going to be used on the MetaTrader 4 app. For instance, Trader's Way operates out of GMT +4, so they're 8 hours ahead of Central Standard Time. However, New York time is 1 hour ahead of Central Standard Time. So when it's 7 o'clock Central, it's 8 o'clock New York. You follow me? Now, with that being said, you have to take the 8 hours of the GMT and you have to subtract 1. And that's going to give you New York time. So that means that's +7 our time. So you have to go here. We're going to go here. So if it's 7 a.m. when the New York opens in New York, it's really 6 a.m. our time. All right? But then we have to add 8 to that. So we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2 p.m. All right? And we want to put this as, of course, September. We're going to be way over here. When we go to September, we can go to September 1st at 2 p.m. And then this one is going to be to September 2nd at 2 p.m. 2 p.m. All right, that'll complete a day cycle. And I'm going to show you guys. Wait. September 2nd. Boom. Done. Now let's spread that out. Now this is how it's going to look on a day chart. But what you want to do is you want to zoom in. Go to the 30-minute chart right there. So this is New York opening on the 30-minute chart. You can see how that spiked up. New York opening, that green candle right there. Started a nice upwards trend. Then we had consolidation right there in the middle. That's Asian session. And London dropped to close the day. Let's scroll back. Right here, same thing. New York opening. We had a fake out, then we had a spike up. All right. Small little consolidation there. And another spike up for Asia. And then a reverse for London. And then close out today. All right. And typically the market does not move in the same direction for 3 sessions. Typically it will push up, and then push down. Or it may push down, or push up, or something of that nature. You know, right here we have an upwards trend down. The market was really active in this day right here. All right. So that's how you identify your day zones. You always have to find out what time your broker operates because that's what time you're going to put it on your MetaTrader 4. And right here, we had another upswing, and then an upswing up until the close of day on Friday. So we'll see where this picks up at in the coming week. But that's how you put your day zones on there. Always find out what time your broker operates from. Always know what time you're operating from, right? To be Central, Eastern, Mountain Time. You have to know these time zones, and you have to find out how many hours it is different from both the start of day in New York and also what time your broker is operating out of. If you guys like this video, if you found it educational, leave me a thumbs up, give me a comment, subscribe. Let's go from here, guys. Happy trading.